Okay, so for this sketchbook assignment, painting 1 class, you need to make the neutral colors, black, gray, and brown. White is also a neutral color, but you can't make that one. So you've done black and gray and brown probably at some point already, but this is just a reminder. So for black, you want to start with lots of blue. You've got one kind of blue. You want the darker red and that darker golden yellow. Mostly blue though. And mix those all up. And once you see what that looks like, you can make some adjustments. Like for mine, I think it's too much blue, so I'm going to go back and add some more of the red and more of the yellow. Since blue is the opposite of orange, we know that we need more of both of these colors. If it looks too blue, we need to add red and yellow to neutralize it. And kind of mix it around and make adjustments until it looks like about as black and as neutral as you can make it. And again, if that was too blue, we add more of the other two primary colors. Now for gray, kind of do the same thing, but a little bit less of the blue. And instead of the dark red and dark yellow, you're going to use the pink kind of red and the light yellow. Mix those together and see what you get. Again, as you can see, this looks like too much blue. So we add more of the opposite of blue, which is orange. We don't have orange, but we do have what makes orange. Pink and the yellow. And if it doesn't quite look gray enough, try adding some white. Mix that in there. That can help you get a better gray as well. All right, there we got gray. And lastly, to make brown, again, we still need the same primary colors. And you can kind of experiment with different combinations, but I always think that this dark yellow looks kind of brownish already. So I always like to add some of that when I'm making brown. And I'm going to use the pink color as well. That might be a little too much pink. We'll see. Not too bad. It's brownish color. I want a little bit more of that yellow though. Okay, that's just one kind of brown out of many that you can make depending on how much of each color and which colors you use exactly. A couple of quick things to remember is if you're trying to neutralize a color, you have to add the opposite of that color. So use your color wheel, or look up a color wheel if you need to. And if one of these colors looks too much like green or too much like red, then add the opposite of that. And that will help neutralize the colors. So I need you to do this and take a photo of it to turn in, and you will get extra credit if you do a video of yourself mixing the colors and putting them on the paper like I did, so I can see you actually doing the work. Again, extra credit if you do this with a video.